Alright, this is a Pike fine grade Belgian Razorhone Coticule. As you can see, this one is incredibly cool looking. It has quite the tiger stripe effect. I've never tested this one. It's always been sort of a shelf queen because I have over 100 Coticules and it's not really worth it to me to use stones like this. They're too valuable as basically collectibles at this point, but number one fine. The really cool tiger stripe effect. Pike stamp. Number one fine. It is 7 inches long, or 17.78 centimeters by 3.96 centimeters, or 1 9/16 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch thick, or 1.9 centimeters. The conical side is 5/16, or 0.794 centimeters. Belgian Coticule. Sorry about the time. Thanks.